I will teach uniform acceleration today. Uniform acceleration is a process of the velocity of a moving body increases in equal amount with equal time interval. What do I mean? It is a process whereby you are driving a car, for example. Then you now start your car maybe from 0. When the car is parked, the velocity is 0, okay, or the speed is 0. Now you start moving your car. You find out that when you now speed up to 5 meter per second, when you look at the speedometer of your car now, you know speedometer in front of your car. When you look at it now, you find out that the movement now, that the speed now of your car has reached at 5. So when you reach at 5, you find out that it has taken you 1 second to reach 5 meter per second. It has taken what? 1 second for you to reach 5 meter. You continue increasing the speed of your car. When you increase it to 10, when you now increase it to 10 meter per second, you find out that it has taken you 2 seconds. You continue moving to 15. Now look at your time, it is 3 seconds. You move again to 20. Now look at your time, it is 4. You move to 25. Your time is 5 seconds. You move at 30, your time is 6 seconds. You now find out that as you are increasing by by equal velocity, let's say 5, it's 5 now, 5, another 5 10, another 5 15. You see now, as you increase by 5, it will now be taking you 1 second to cover 5. First 5 is 1 second. Second 5, when you move to another 5 speed, it will take you another 1 second. That means if you are now increasing your car from 0 to 5, it has taken you 1 second. Now continue increasing to 10. From that is another 5. Now your time now is 2. That is another 1, 2. You now be increasing. You find that as you increase with equal velocity and equal time interval, it is what we call uniform acceleration. Increasing your velocity with increasing equal velocity with equal time. If it's 10, for example, if your velocity now is 50, you start your car and start increasing it to 50. You look at your time, you see that your time is 5 seconds. You understand? You are driving a car now. You look at your speedometer, you now see that you just started now. Your time, when you start, your time is 0. If you are timing it, your time is 0. When your car is parked, your time is also 0. Then when you start moving, you own your time. If you are doing experiment, you move. When you speed, when you reach at 50 meter per second, that your speed reach 50 when you are looking at your speedometer. You now see that when you look at your time, you see that your time now is just 5 seconds. You continue increasing your speed to 100. Increasing it, it's a process of increasing. Increase it to 100. Now you check your time, it is now 10 seconds. You start increasing to 150 if you can. You check your time, it will now be 15 seconds. You see that as you increase to 50, it is taking you 5 seconds. Now you are maintaining a uniform acceleration. The graph is on board. This is your 0 starting point of your car. This line is velocity line, and this one is the time line. Then this line is for our acceleration. Whenever you hear acceleration, Acceleration involves velocity and time. Just remember velocity and time when you hear acceleration, because acceleration is equals to change in velocity all over time. But when you heard about velocity itself, you remember distance or displacement and time, because velocity is equals to displacement all over time or distance all over time. So now, when this car, you start your car and start moving, when you reach at 20, it has taken you 5 seconds. You continue increasing your speed to 40, it has taken you 10, increase it to 60, it has taken you 15, increase it to 80, it has taken you 20. You are now be moving your car, this is direction, straight line, as we will call uniform acceleration. You move with the equal velocity and the equal time interval. Remember that this experiment is not what you do in our busy road, because if you are moving in a busy road, suddenly you may see someone passing, you brake. When you are moving and brake, you reduce the speed. It's no longer uniform. When you see hold up and stop, it's no longer uniform. When you see pothole and slow down, no longer uniform one. It is a process where you maintain the increasing of the speed. You maintain it. So therefore, you go in a special area and in a straight line to enable you to do it without any obstruction. That is that. So that is all about uniform acceleration. Therefore, there is a calculation that will come on this, but it will come in another video. That is why I bring out a special time to explain it, so that when you will be hearing uniform velocity and the uniform acceleration, you will understand it, because I've treated uniform velocity in another video. So thank you so much for watching, and continue to follow me on Facebook, and the Facebook name is Chiwamba Power, and continue to watch my videos on YouTube channel and subscribe, because there are many things about physics and mathematics that will come. Thank you so much for watching, and God bless.